Schutte Hammermill, founded in 1928 as Schutte Pulverizer Company and later merging with Buffalo Hammermill Corporation, established itself early on as a leader in the design and manufacturing of the highest quality size reduction equipment. Known globally for rugged construction, reliability, and efficiency, our equipment is backed by a comprehensive line of high-quality on-demand replacement wear parts. Every product is proudly manufactured in Buffalo, New York, continuing our legacy of quality American craftsmanship. For decades, Schutte Hammermill has built a reputation for developing custom size reduction solutions across a wide range of industries. As we've grown, we've applied our expertise to emerging sectors such as biomass, alternative fuels, and other challenging recycling applications. Today, we specialize in creating bespoke processes for size reduction of difficult, non-homogeneous materials like carpet, plastics, and e-scrap. Our success lies in tailoring each solution to the unique demands of our customers' materials and production goals. Whether it's handling complex materials or refining a process, we customize equipment to deliver the optimal solution. We offer proof-of-concept testing to demonstrate our capabilities and ensure confidence in our recommendations.